We're here today in Manheim, Pennsylvania. I'm cleaning a pool deck using surface cleaner and pressure washer. Actually, the pool no longer exists. It's been filled in to make a really pretty flower bed. We're a complete exterior cleaning contractor. In addition to pressure washing, we also offer non-pressure roof cleaning, soft washing for houses, which is good for your vinyl, driveit, and stucco. We also do gutter cleaning. We offer a rust stain removal. And we also can clean your windows. This job today, we have cleaned the roof already. I'm doing a little bit of pressure washing, and then we're going to go through and clean all the windows on the main home and on the carriage house. You can check out some of our before and after pictures at roofcleaningpa.com. Give us a call for a free estimate for all your exterior cleaning needs. 717-324-4208. Roof Cleaning by A&E.